Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Bloom Outdoors. So today we are going to be doing a quick little review video over the AlphaRex Pro Series headlights. So this is for a 2018 through, I think it'd be 2020. The 2021s haven't dropped yet, so nobody really knows what they look like, but when I'm making this video, it is the 18 to 20 where the headlights extend all the way over to the grill there, where as the 15s end about right there. So this would be the Pro Series, meaning there's just one bulb up top and one bulb down low. But we're gonna do a quick little review video over them. So personally, I like them a lot. I think they look super good, super great headlights. It's definitely gonna be hard to see right now when I do this, but this is the sequential like series or sequential type, you can call it, I guess, of headlight. It was probably definitely hard for you guys to see that. It's definitely gonna be hard to see because it's sunny outside, but when that amber bulb is on, these DRL bars are like at a lower brightness, you could say, than when that shuts off. And this whole bar is just your daytime running light. That is when the headlight will be on. So any second here, it'll switch, just there. That light shut off, and this whole DRL bar got brighter. So when it's brighter, that is like your daytime running light mode, you can call it. I like the look of them. I think they look super sweet, whether it's just the straight up daytime, because those, like I said, are super bright, which is the normal daytime running light. I think it looks really good. And then when it's night, you know, those aren't as bright, but those amber lights also turn on, and I think it looks really good. It did come with HID low beams and high beams. However, I did switch them out for LED bulbs because personally, I did not like the look of the bulb. It had like a warm color. It was like almost like a yellowish, like a halogen bulb color, and I did not like it. So I replaced them with LED bulbs. I'll leave the link for the video right here, so go check it out if you want. It also has the color code, or like the color wiring code thing for these headlights in them as well. So if you want to replace the bulbs, you know what the coloring code is for them. The sequential headlight part I think is super neat. It looks really cool. I think everyone I've asked or like that I've talked to about it told me they like it and they think it looks super cool. Overall, I think they're just super cool. Definitely a run for your money, but I think that it's worth it, especially these ones. These are the less expensive ones. They were, I want to say $600-ish, but then after I upgraded bulbs, I upgraded the high beams and low beams on both sides. I think in total I have about $750 in the headlights. But like I said, I think they look super cool. They perform really well. I would definitely recommend them if you have this year truck. Honestly, if I could redo it, I would have gotten the Novas, the Nova series, where it has a bulb here and a bulb here, and a bulb there and a bulb there. So you have 4 bulbs on each headlight. I think they look cooler than these, and I think the performance is better on them. But I don't have that kind of money, so I went with the cheaper ones. But another thing, it's grown on me. I think they almost look slicker, you could say. Look like more slick, you know, with just the one up top and one down low. And plus, if I was to upgrade the bulbs in the other one, it would be a lot more expensive because I'd have to buy, you know, 4 sets of bulbs instead of 2 sets of bulbs because you've got 2 low beams and 2 high beams on each headlight itself. But I believe in the Nova series, they come with the LED bulbs already. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I believe they do. Then you wouldn't have to upgrade. But I believe those are about $1,350, where these were about $600, $650-ish. I think it depended if you went with the sequential version or not. I think it was more expensive for the sequential ones, but I like the look of them more, so I got them. I'll show you guys the blinker because I know some people are wondering about how that works with that DRL bar. So let me get that turned on and I'll show you guys. So here's what the headlights look like. And like I said, these are not the original bulbs that come with the headlights. These are different bulbs that are upgraded. It's really hard to tell on camera because it's bright outside, but I think that they look super good. The headlights and the bulbs with them too, they're super bright. But let me show you guys the blinker. So this is what the blinker does. It's kind of hard to see, like I said, because of the lighting and everything. But that whole entire, like U-bar, what is the DRL bar, lights up along with that amber light. The whole thing lights up with it. So when you're in the turn lane at night, it's gonna look like this. Personally, if I was, a creator of these headlights or whatever, I would have not designed it like this. I like the look of that bar the whole time, because honestly at night I think it's kind of cool to run, just like what is your parking lights. So it's just the DRL bar and the amber light with the fog lights. I think that looks cool at night. But then the thing is, you hit your blinker and your DRL bar goes away. So that's something I do not like about them. Yes, I think it looks cool, but I think I would have liked it more if that DRL bar was a constant and only that amber light would be your blinker. And I'll show you guys what it looks like without. So headlights are off position, and we hit the blinker. So it's gonna be the exact same thing. So park lights, it's not in the nighttime mode because that light is not turned on. Only the bar is. But it's the same thing over here. That changes color with the whole bar around the outside, which, like I said, I am not a fan of. I wish that bar would always be on. I think it would look way cooler when it's always that LED color. I think that's about it. Like I said, I like them a lot. I think they're really cool. The only thing is with the blinker, and it's also the same thing when you hit the hazard lights. It's gonna do that same exact thing it did with the blinker, but just on both sides. But yeah, like I said, I wish it wasn't like that. I wish it stayed with that whole LED DRL bar on it the whole time and only the amber light turned, but it is what it is. I'm not a creator of it, but personally, that's what I would have done. So AlphaRex guys, if you're watching this video, just so you know, make me a set that doesn't do that. But yeah, that's my thoughts on it. That's what I think. That's my quick little review over it. If you guys have any other questions over the headlights, drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think, or ask me whatever questions you want. And also go check out the installation video for them if you want to know how to install them yourself. And also I have a video of changing out the bulbs to LEDs, and the wire color code is also in that same video, so be sure to go check it out if you want to. If you're gonna do it yourself and have any questions about it, just let me know. But as always, thanks for watching another video of Bloom Outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys the next time.